Hi, I'm Z, and I'm a consultant at Teamworx. My job is to help people love their jobs by working in better ways. The reason I love doing what I do is because having worked in the software industry for about 10 years in various engineering and management roles, I've realized that what I really care about is teams and teamwork. I apply the values of Agile to my work. Agile is an approach to software development that nowadays is thought of as a universal mindset that applies to work outside of software, ranging from education to retail to finance and sales, even logistics and transport. These values are really simple. Having a safe environment where teams can do their best work, having an environment where it's okay to fail and learn from mistakes, delivering incremental value to your customers, and making your teams and customers feel really awesome. I'm really excited today because we're about to launch an online course on Udemy. If you'd like more details or if you're interested in the course, drop me an email at z@teamworx.co.nz. If you've got a long-standing project that's been lying around, or if you need a team that needs a lift off, if you'd like some coaching or a training course or having a workshop run, just drop me a note at z@teamworx.co.nz. I would be really happy to help.